Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's English class of class 6. In our last class we were just discussing about a chapter that was named as I have a lot of sports to play. In that chapter we met a lady named as Kartiki Patel who overcome her disability and became as one of the great Indian basketball player. So I hope that you people understood the story very carefully, and if any more doubts are there, I am ready to clear for it. Okay. So today we people are going to study about one more new chapter that was named as Grandpa's Tree. In that chapter also, in this chapter also, we are going to meet about a boy who also met with an accident. But without thinking about his accident or without thinking about his disabilities, he did something great. About that we are going to discuss in this chapter, and the name of the chapter was named as Grandpa's Tree. So now here I am going to do what? I am going to summarize the story for you to understand it clearly. It is a very big story that you people know, that is in your textbook. So I am making it as very short for you people to understand. Clear? So watch the video carefully and understand it clearly. So as the name suggests, this story is related to a love towards a grandfather and his grandchildren. Right? There was a boy named as Eric. Right? A boy named as Eric. As like you people, he was also a very naughty boy. He was climbing upon the trees whenever he was getting free time. So one day when he was playing in his garden, there was a big tree was there which was planted by his grandfather. So Eric did what? He climbed up, as like every time he climbed up the tree, suddenly or unfortunately he fell down from the tree. What happened if he fall down from the tree? His legs have been broken. Right? So he want to be sitting on wheelchair and he want to take rest for 2-3 weeks. But the problem what happened, after that boy had fell down from the tree, then parents they decided to cut it down. The parents, they ask like every parent, they think that, they feel that it was a mistake of that tree. If that tree was not there, my son or my daughter, he or she will not get any accident. Same way, this parent, they were also think that they need to cut down the tree. And he became very sad while listening to the news. So he thinks, he just tried to convince his father and mother for that it is my own mistake, that it is not the tree's mistake. But they didn't listen to it. They did what? They arranged some woodcutters to cut down the tree. So Eric was thinking about something now. He is planning something. He decided to do something. Or he thinks that if he is not doing, the tree will not be there. And Eric is thinking that the tree is the symbol of that grandfather's love. Because from his childhood onwards, he is listening or he is watching how much care that grandfather has given to make that tree that much as a big one. He is putting water on every day, was caring the tree very much. Like that tree is completely a love that we can able to say it as it is a symbol of that grandfather's love. That is why that boy is having that much of sadness in his mind, because he is thinking that it is a symbol of his grandfather's love. Right? So he decided to do something against it. So he did what? When the woodcutters began to come on the next day, without thinking about his injuries on the wood, with the help of his arms, there are certain pegs were there in the trees. So with the help of that arms, he just climbed upon the tree. Just imagine that a boy who is not thinking about his wounds. Without thinking about the wounds, he is climbing up and he sat on the top of the tree. When the woodcutters come, he did what? He said that I will not jump down. I will not come down. Right? By sitting on there, he told his mother to listen to me once time. And the mother at last decided to listen to that boy. And the boy started to explain each and everything that happened 30 or 40 years before, when the time the grandfather had planted the tree. He said that, ma'am, do you know how much effort my grandfather has taken to make this tree? Every morning he is watering the plant. Each and every time, whenever any kind of damages is happening to the tree, how much love, how much care my grandfather has given to it. How many times you people asked my grandfather to cut it down, and what did he say to you people? Now, every evening, what did he do to that plant? Each and everything the boy explained to to that his mother in a very clear manner. So the mother also started feeling something now, and she also said that, dear boy, I understood my mistake. Now I am also coming to the top of the tree. Let me see what will happen. So with a very energetic manner, she also climbed to the top of the tree, and she also sat along with his child. And by sitting there, by looking each and every places around there, she also feel that, oh, such kind of beauty is there by sitting here. So she also understand that by sitting there on the top of the tree or without thinking about disability, we can also achieve something. So she also understand the value that the tree is really the symbol of the grandfather's love. From that way, that mother, she really understood that, and she promised to her son also that we will never cut down this tree until it fall down by its normal way. That is the story named as Grandpa's Tree. Hope you understand the value of the story. Try to save trees in our nature, as you people know that our environment, if we want to see or if we want to live in our environment in a perfect manner, we need to save trees. So, as like the boy in this story named as Eric, try to convince your parents also for not cutting down the trees. That's all for today's class. Read out the textbook clearly and understand it very clearly, and ask to me whether if you are having any doubts related to that. Thank you all. Have a nice day.